This is the menu I have created in my previous episode, and in this episode I will make this menu more beautiful. This is the code I have used to create the menu. This is the HTML and the SCSS file. I have taken few colors here. I have stored the color in some variables so that I can use them. I have kept the windows side by side so that I can see the changes instantly. To see the changes instantly, I have started live server and the live SAS compiler to compile the SAS. First of all, I will change the background color of the menu. Now I will change the background color to primary. And the brand color to white. I will change the link colors also to white. I will change the hover color to 444. Now I will change the brand font size to 28 pixel. Now I will change the font weight to 900. Let's check. Now it looks better. As I have changed the brand font size to 28, now the unordered lists are appearing at the top. I have to justify it vertically middle. To justify the unordered list to vertically middle, I will use align items center here. I think the menu is looking better than the previous one. Now I will add a login button at the right side of the menu items so that someone can use that button to access the login page. Here we will add a list item at the end of the menu items, and inside the list item I will use an anchor tag also, and here I will link to login page. Inside the anchor tag I will just write a login. Now I will use a class here called login. So that I can style it differently. I will use a border on pixel solid white. Use some padding 5 pixel top and bottom and 10 pixel left and right. I will use some border radius here also. I think 5 pixel will look better. Now we have a login button, so someone can access the login page clicking on this link. Now I will change the hover color of the login button. Login hover background white, color primary. Now we have a login button. You can add more links or buttons if you need. To add on more button, you can just copy this line and change the button name. For example, it may be register. And if you want to add a more link, then just copy one of this and change the name as you need. I am using gallery here. Now I will link the brand name to home page. I will cut it and an anchor tag. Inside it I can link any page, so I will link this index.html page here and paste the brand name. Let's see, as the brand name is inside the anchor tag, so its color is blue now, so I have to change it. As there is the anchor tag inside the brand class, so I will use here A, and now I will give the color white here. By default the link is underlined, so I have to remove the underline using the code text decoration none. As there is a link in the brand name, so I will change the hover color also, 555. Now there is a new problem. As I have used margin left for login class, so there are margin left here and here also, but I think there should have some more space between contact link and login button. To solve this, I will use here register class. As this is the register button, so I will link to register page here. As I have changed the class name, so all the styles has gone. To solve this, write the register class here also, but there are still the same space here between contact and login button. So to solve this, I will use different margin for these two buttons. For login button, I will use margin left 15 pixel here, and for register button I will use margin left 5 pixel. Now the problem is solved. I have planned to design a full functional website. So keep watching. Thank you.